Welcome to stockmarketfunding.com. SMF Street is the street, Main Street. Get on over here. Bypass that Wall Street. Look, Amazon.com. I've got a weekly chart. And what we're going to look at is where Amazon will fail. Basically, right now, we have had a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We have had 12 weeks of bear trend. 90 days, which is 60 days of actual trading as a bear trend. Why? Because when you close below the 10-week moving average, and as the 10-week moving average descends, that's why these consolidations break down, and you made a low down here. And you made another low, a lower low over here, and you do have 1 week above the light volume move. It's 1 week. You need 4 weeks, and the 10-week is flat. That's the bull case, is week 1 above the 10-week. The body slightly closed up above here. Low volume volatility. A lot of big players are not involved. We're going to continue to see if Amazon works its way back up. We have shorted Amazon and taken it down using put options and shorting the equity on every one of its failed bull trends. So basically, what we're going to be looking at for the rest of this month is how these key weekly moving averages and that 50-week that is rising, that's going to hold it up. The 10-week barely right here is flattened out. But you need it to be flattened out. It's got to close above it 4 weeks in a row. The body got above it on light volume. So, that's the bull case above that 20-week. But let's not forget one thing. You need 4 weeks. We're going to be looking at, during the options expiration, we're going to be looking at trading the Amazon position based on Amazon falling weak. If it falls weak, we're going to be aggressive put buyers right here again. And we've got plenty of videos that we have shorted this with live trades. So go find them. They're on stockmarketfunding.com or daily stock charts. Go find it. You'll see where we've shorted before. So there's a bull case in play, but it's very weak. And in the dog days, it's easy to walk stocks up. There's no big buyers pushing it, but then there's no big sellers because it's the dog days of summer. What I am going to be looking at here moving forward is the 130 call as well against this one right here. For the month of August expiration will be this put option that I'm going to put in my market minder. That's the wrong date. Let's delete that one. And let's go find why. Let's get the August 21st expiration, which is right here. Okay, and there it is right there. Put option, call option. We're going to be looking at what the upside volatility trade would be at a cheap price. We're also going to be looking at that if the 130 fails, we'll move right in here. So either two of the directions are going to move, and we're going to be doing that with all of our traders. But the bull case is you still have a weekly MACD sell signal. That's what this means. And it is a weak sell signal. It's still a sell signal. The equity does not make another big move. And I'm just showing you these bars, how overbought you got. And I'm not going to go into it. I'm not here to train you on how they actually work, other than you can rest on one thing. We put in a weekly sell signal. Last time we put in a weekly sell signal, this was a mild one. It got back up. Here's when it put in a nice weekly sell signal. And above that zero line, what I am saying is, and I'm just going to make it clear to all of our traders, because that's who this video is for. They understand what I'm talking about. You viewing it may not, and that's fine too. If you want to learn more, well, then I suggest that you go to stockmarketfunding.com. The bear is that we still got a weak sell signal. The bull is here above the weekly moving averages. We're going to be trading and I'll be showing all of our traders in our next video the 130 call, which is up and out of the money, and a 130 put. So if the call goes up in value, I'll buy the 130 put. We'll be going into options expirations. If we break higher, we'll cut the one side of the trade out, let the winning side keep going, or cut the loser over there and let the whatever side that trend wants to go. Sorry, you've been given a gift. We're experts in options trading. We're market makers. We have a system that tells us which side of the market to keep and which side of the market not to keep.